Here we are. Got my hands on the latest and greatest PSE Viper SS 80-pound pistol crossbow. It is a pistol. It has a pistol brace on it. It's still considered a pistol. It also comes with a foregrip, which, I'm just leaving the legality up to PSE, having a foregrip on a pistol, but it's got a pistol brace and a foregrip, still considered a pistol. I'm pretty sure the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Crossbows will soon address this, but for now it's okay. It's got really good adjustable sights on it. I mean, right out of the package, it's pretty much on at about 6 feet. It's got this blunt edge bayonet on it, an automatic cocking system for a very high rate of fire. Just really good trigger pull. It's top of the line for today's standards, what we're left with. So let's go out to the range and give it a whirl. And you might be asking yourself right now, but Joe, where do you get ammo nowadays? This thing comes with 3 full plastic jacketed 55 grain rounds. And I'm pretty sure these brown ones are armor piercing. I don't know for sure, but they appear that they would pierce armor. All right, we're gonna put it on target here. See how see where we're hitting. Get a good view on stuff. It's this automatic cocking feature. Like I said, it has a very high rate of fire. Slide that in there like that. Hopefully these armor piercing rounds don't go through my backstop. Yep, safety. Yeah, take the safety off. Automatic safety. They're California compliant. Wow. Wow. Dead center. We're back here probably about 6 feet, maybe 8 feet. And it's just, oh no. One of my armor piercing rounds, the fletching broke off. It's been from shooting it earlier. I didn't even notice. We'll see how it works anyway. Safety off. Get it on there. Wow. Just sinking them right in there. See, they make the bayonet blunt edge so you can grab a hold of it easier, but don't be fooled. That thing will do some damage. You don't want somebody coming at you with that. Alright. Automatic safety. Last shot. I think I'll go for the bottom right target this time. Pretty good. I think we're on. Okay, we're going to do a rapid fire drill here. Definitely don't mind the my airsoft rifle in the corner. That is just airsoft. Don't tell anybody, please. Okay. Here we are, rapid fire drill from a resting position. Okay. Safety off. Here we go. Very high rate of fire. And I'm not even practiced in this. Okay. Wow. Excellent. And the recoil is just so manageable. The foregrip just gives you such good control of this thing. And the stabilizer brace too. It's almost not even noticeable. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that was like 3 shots and made, Okay. Let's see if we can bust that clay bird up there. I don't know if he's the rounds are capable. don't get me wrong, the ammunition is capable, being armor piercing. I don't know if 80 pounds is enough to do it, but we're gonna give it a whirl. You know, we used to use shotguns, which is strange that they went away too, being how much our president seemed to like them. Safety's off. Let me move up here. Alright, here goes. Nice. Nice break. Clean break. Right, straight. Oh man, straight through. That's impressive. Personally, I want to see that thing shatter. Let's try and put another bolt into it. Let's see. Oh man, we have to take the safety off. It's a common issue. You got to do your drills with these things. They're a complex piece of machinery. Nice. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This thing is dangerous. It's no wonder Australia banned them. Alright, we got a couple bottles out there. See if we can bust them up, make a big splash with our PSE Viper. Here we go. Well, not quite. I believe it glanced off of there. But you know, gotta get a square hit with your armor piercing rounds, these bronze armor piercing bullets. Let's try the other one. Here we go. Okay, same result. You know, they're very round, they're cylindrical, which makes it hard to break them. You can see I was right on the edge. See the scuff right there? That's my bad. That's my bad. You know, maybe if it came forward, let's put it in between here. We got one more bolt here. And I mean, things can only get better, right? Safety off. Ready? I know you guys want to see that bottle just explode. And I plan on delivering it. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. See that? You see that? Oh yeah. A little bit of leakage here. That's dangerous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, pretty much concludes my review of this thing. I mean, I know some guys ain't into the magnum calibers of crossbow, but I'm telling you, the recoil is manageable. Power is impressive.